You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
Right here, this is not a level. Like when you're trying to spot a level, it's gonna be very clear. Like it's gonna be very clear. It's not gonna be you trying to like make up a level. Like it should be very clear, especially with these like break and retest setups. You're not gonna see them that much because most of the time the market will respect supply and demand more than break and retest, because this is trading retail. Let's keep it a buck. Break and retest is retail. They do win, and some days they do not win. But you need the most cleanest possible setup when it comes to break and retest, like for sure. This, I don't know what this is. Okay. Again, like I didn't understand what was going on. Is this a like what? I don't know. Like, is this a demand area? Like, I don't really know what was going on right here. Let's go to somebody else. Let's actually go to somebody that did it right. We're gonna go through like two more, and then I gotta go through this setups that have gaps under it and below it. Like we gotta get into that. Bro, I'm not gonna trade. Yeah, some people are actually done. I'm actually done trading this Tuesday. I'm done trading for the year. I may still call out some setups, but I'm not taking them. So I just wanted to say that real quick. I'm not about to risk my capital, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm really done. Okay, so this is a swing high. Now, is this a lot of like rejections? No, but this is break and retest. If you look left, we have clean gaps. This is something else that's, if you have a big gap like this, they're going to mirror that. They're going to mirror this. Okay, like trust and believe they're going to mirror that. So if you're taking a buy going in that direction, that's valid. Even if it's no swing high over here or no level, this little swing high right here is valid because they still have to match this drop right here. So this is valid. This is a swing high, break, retest, and then you would have bought right there. Okay. Yeah, GJ be super clean. I don't understand. G, you've been looking kind of shitty. Okay, so we got rejections right here. We got momentum, and then it broke right here, and then it came back, and then you would have bought. Okay. Does that mean they will for sure have to fill in that gap? They have to balance it out. They're not gonna let this drop, like especially like this. This is not even normal. So they're gonna do like a bunch of accumulating right here. Like they're just going up and down, and then they finally gonna choose a direction and they're gonna take off. Most of the time, if something like this is gonna happen, you're gonna see demand. So if it's a big drop, you're gonna see some type of demand. So we got like, so where do you enter to fill in that drop? Like straight up, like all of this, like even right here too, like it's just gaps all over the place from all up in here. And for them to even bounce off of this area and go up, that could even be more insane. Like, you feel me? Like, just think about it. If they went like this, they came back and then started going up even more, like, I know the market don't want us to win. The market don't want nobody to win. So for them to even do this type of move and leaving all of these gaps right here, and then we got serious liquidity right there, because that is also like a double, not really a double bottom, but that's like, you feel me? People stop losses literally sitting up under here as far as the swing traders, and they stopped them out. And I'm pretty sure they're probably about to go back up next week, but I'm not about to do a lot of trading anyway. When do the markets get back to normal? Mid-January. The supply and demand work better on certain pairs. No, it's universal. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter what it is down here. But then again, that's high risk too, because we don't know what the candle is going to print. So now you see why these setups are not as, like, they're not the best at supply and demand. Like, they're not the best. That's why we, like, most of us in this group are taking supply and demand setups only, because if you take this buy and you put your stop loss right there, you're going to get stopped out and you're going to be mad, because I know I'll be mad if I got stopped out and then go my favorite. That's going to happen. That's just, it is what it is. So can we predict liquidity graphs? No. part of trading. You can't know, like you can wait on it, but what if they don't do it? Now you miss the setup. So you can either be picky on these type of break and retest setups or even support setups. Yeah, this is just support. This is not break and retest. This is just support. But I just want to just cover this like real quick. If you're iffy about taking regular like support setups or regular resistance setups, wait for a liquidity grab. But understand that liquidity grabs may not happen. So you might miss some setups. Like if you got scared of trading retail, because this is retail. Okay, so this is what everybody is trading. That's why they did that. They went up, got everybody, and then they immediately went away from it very fast. Once they stopped everybody out, they got the money and they're gone. So either you're gonna wait for a liquidity grab or you're gonna take that chance, because again, this could have just went up, no liquidity grab. And then for people that just wait for liquidity grabs, you would have missed out on that. So you have to pick and choose. Because like I said, there's gonna be a lot of manipulation up in these areas, always. Where the support and resistance are at, those is where the major manipulation is going to happen, because the whole world is trading the same thing. Okay, Friday, let me go back. On Friday, I held this move. I didn't held it all the way down here, but this setup that I called on Friday, I definitely held that. Like I got my 1-to-1, but I also looked left and I got out right here. I got out of liquidity down here. So I left the runner for right here, then I got out. I didn't take all of this. Like this setup that we took for the sale, like this kept dropping. Like it literally, like this was like one of the best, like this is a good ass trade. And I got out once the liquidity right here, then you feel me, I was done. And it just kept going. That is the higher RRs that's gonna help you. Like that is gonna grow your account, is leaving the runners. The 1-to-1 is just like, okay, this is just, I'm just trying to get the consistency. 20 minutes, jump in and out. Page full of trades. I thought I was scalping. 10 bands a day, man. I can't wait. But anybody got any questions? We over the time, but I'm perfectly fine with talking about this. I just want to like this, today's webinar was literally just for us to bring some awareness to setups that you gotta question. You gotta question setups if there's a gap above it and a gap below it. You got to be aware of the gaps, because that is going to determine if you should take the setup or not, if the setup is going to hit or whatever. When you win or lose some days, you tell that the chat is done for the day. Could you still call out signals for the group and take even though you won't take them? Yeah, next week I'm going to be calling out trades that I'm not going to be taking. I'm done trading for the year Tuesday. This Tuesday, I'm done trading for the year. So I'm not taking these setups. I'm still gonna be calling out trades for people that just want to just try to get some good setup. I'm gonna call some trades. I'm not taking them though, because I'm not trying to really risk my capital. Some of y'all still want to trade, and you feel me? I'm gonna still show up to market, try to find y'all some good setups, but I'm not taking them.